Work Online Job Platform Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're diving into Workew, an online job platform designed for remote work opportunities, specifically for digital nomads and professionals looking to work from anywhere. As always, links to the platform can be found in the description below. Workew is a job platform focused on providing access to remote job listings, catering to professionals in various fields like marketing, development, design, writing, and customer support, just to name a few. What makes Workew stand out from the sea of other remote job platforms is its curated list of opportunities. Instead of you having to sift through countless irrelevant job postings, Workew presents high-quality, remote-only jobs that are handpicked for the digital nomad lifestyle. The platform is incredibly user-friendly and well-structured, offering a seamless browsing experience. Job seekers can easily navigate the website, filter job opportunities by category, and even search for positions based on their skill set. Whether you're a tech expert, creative professional, or have a background in customer service, Workew has you covered with various job openings tailored to different industries. One unique feature of Workew is the company listings section, where companies actively hiring for remote positions can post their profiles, giving potential candidates insight into company culture and values. This can be particularly useful when you're looking for a job that aligns with your work ethic and personal values. However, it's important to note that Workew isn't a comprehensive platform for freelancers looking to showcase their portfolios. Instead, it's more of a job board for individuals looking for full-time or part-time remote positions in more established companies. If you're someone who's actively seeking a remote job and wants a curated, streamlined experience, Workew is definitely worth checking out. They focus on quality over quantity and provide a platform that eliminates the hassle of dealing with irrelevant job listings. You can explore further by following the links in the description. Thanks for watching.